Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? A very good morning. Now students, this is the second lecture of this week. Hope so you have completed your translation in this of this unit number 3, media and its impact. First of all, I will discuss the diary of second lecture of this week. In this diary, I will explain all the question answers and I will solve exercise and I will read the comprehension passage number 1. So let's take start from the question answer. So come to the page number 25. It is a portion of question answers, and in this portion the first question is, what is the most important function that media performs? What is the most important function? The most important function raises awareness about many social issues like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction, and violation of human rights. And it has also become the mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Downtrodden means those people who are in miserable situation, and this media has become the voice of that people. Okay, now come to the second question. What are the two major means of communication? What are the two major means? The first one is electronic media and the second one is print media. Electronic media, we find the example of electronic media means films, radio, television, internet, and in print media, newspapers and magazines. And there are some other three questions, and you have to learn all the answers of these questions by your ALS notes. Okay, fine, students. Now, students, come to the page number 26. There is a portion of vocabulary. There are some phrases. First of all, I will tell about the phrases. What are phrases? Phrases are, I will simply explain it. Phrases are groups of words, not a complete sentence, just group of words. There are some phrases and you have I have to explain according to the text. Okay, now the first one is geared up. The first one is geared up. What is the meaning of geared up? According to this, according it is used in the text. So first of all, geared up means students are ready for the tutorial day, कि वो रेडी हैं, तैयार हैं उस चीज़ के लिए, वो लेक्चर के लिए. The next one, global village. Global village means the whole world has become single community which is connected by electronic system of communication. The next one, a click away, means only at a distance of one touch of a finger, just one touch of a finger. Okay, here constructive role means a useful role rather than being negative or and with no purpose. Raise awareness means to make people raise to raise awareness means to make people know that something exists and is more important for them. To keep an eye means media watches things very carefully, especially to check them that they do not do carefully, especially to check them that they do not do anything wrong. Okay, fine. And the last one is a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. I have already explained it, but again, so here a mouthpiece of downtrodden means TV has become the voice of the downtrodden and speaks for them. Okay, students, the next exercise B part, put these words in the relevant columns to identify the part of speech these words belong to. There is some column with three parts: nouns, adjectives and adverbs, and there are some words and you have to choose nouns, adjective and adverbs and put them in that part. Okay, now the first noun column part in which the words would be put, those are media, information, impact, means, and communication. And the next one in adjectives, corrective, constructive, and false. And in adverbs, eagerly and loudly. Okay, fine. The next portion is grammatical portion, and grammatical portion exercise A. What is the statement? Statement is change the following words into nouns. Fill in the blanks with nouns. There are some words and we have to put in according to the sentence but in noun formation. Okay, the first one is doctors are connected with safety of patients. In a state of excitement, she cried loudly. Floods often cause large-scale devastation. Positive activity will keep you healthy. The next one, her helplessness was quite obvious. She was in a state of hopelessness. She has the ability required for the job. And the last one, have you any justification of this act? Okay, now come to the next part, part B. Identify personal, possessive, reflexive, and indefinite pronouns. There are some statements and some pronouns are used in this statement, but they are different pronouns and we have to differentiate among these pronouns. Okay, fine. This is my book. This is my book. In this statement, my is the pronoun, but my is a possessive pronoun. Okay. The second one, Salman is absent because he is ill. He is a pronoun. He is a personal pronoun. You will hurt yourself. You will hurt yourself. Yourself is a reflexive pronoun. Okay, and the last one, nobody was there to rescue the child. Nobody, indefinite pronoun. Fine, students. And the next, come to the part D. Complete the sentences choosing the right option. There is a very simple. Fill in the blanks just like plural or singular. Helping verbs used like the first one, media dash a very constructive role for the society. And media, what is the right option? There is plays and play and plays in the bracket. So here media is a singular category. So media plays a very constructive role for the society. Same like that. Next, media dash also become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Has or have. Media has also become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. There are some other sentences and you have to choose right option. So the next one, E part, change the voice. There is some example. Ali eats an apple. Ali eats an apple. There is an active voice and you have to change in passive voice. So in passive voice, definitely according to structure, object comes to the first, an apple, and then helping verb is, and then verb, third form of verb, eaten by Ali, and subject is at the end now. So media helps people to share knowledge. Media helps people to share knowledge. People are helped to share knowledge by media. Again, people are helped to share knowledge by media. The next one, their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. It expresses their feelings and opinions through it. Media attracts the attention of a very large audience. The attention of a very large audience is attracted by media. After entering the house, we switch on the television. The television is switched on by us after entering the house. And the last one, it is it not only informs us but also entertains us. We are not informed but also entertained by it. Okay, fine. The next part is F. Change the paragraph into past indefinite tense. So this is very simple. Media helps people to share knowledge of the world. Media help the people to share knowledge of the world. Their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. Instead of are, we use were. Media attracts. Instead of attracts, we use second form of verb attracted the attention of a very large audience. Have you noticed? Instead of have, we use had you noticed that first thing we do soon. We did soon after entering the house. Is instead of is was. To switch on the television. Okay, students, your exercise has been completed now. Students, now come to English Grammar and Composition, PTB. Okay, Punjab textbook of board. Today I will read comprehension passage solved. Solved comprehension passage 1. Okay. Okay, now the first one is here. I will read this passage and I will give complete understanding of this passage, and you have to find the answers of this passage. This is your exercise. So now, one day a wolf felt hungry. He wandered here and there in search of food but could not find anything to eat. एक दिन एक भेड़िया जो बहुत भूखा था और वो खुराक की तलाश में इधर उधर फिरता रहा. He could not find anything to eat, और उसने कुछ भी वो हासिल ना कर सका खाने के लिए. At last he saw a flock of sheep. आखिरकार उसने भेड़ों का एक झुंड देखा. ग्रेजिंग इन अ पास्चर, जो कि सब्जे वाली जगह पर ग्रेजिंग कर रहे थे, चढ़ रहे थे वहाँ पे. ठीक है. ही वॉन्टेड टू ईट वन, वो उनमें से किसी एक को खाना चाहा उसने. बट दे वर गार्डेड बाय अ हाउंड, लेकिन वो एक शिकारी कुत्ते के ज़रिए हिफाजत किए जा रहे थे. द शेफर्ड सन वॉज आल्सो टेंडिंग द फ्लॉक विजिलेंटली. गडरिए का बेटा जो था वो भी उस भेड़ के झुंड की जो है वो चौकन्ने तरीके से निगरानी कर रहा था. द वुल्फ फाउंड हिमसेल्फ हेल्पलेस, और भेड़िए ने खुद को बहुत ही हेल्पलेस पाया, बेयारो मददगार पाया. एट लास्ट ही हिट अपॉन अ प्लान, आखिरकार उसने एक प्लान बना लिया. ही हाइड हिमसेल्फ इन द स्किन ऑफ अ शीप, उसने खुद को भेड़ की खाल में छुपा लिया. एंड सेफली वेंट इनटू द फ्लॉक, और बड़ी ही सेफली वो फ्लॉक में चला गया, वो जो भेड़ों का झुंड था. द हाउंड कुड नॉट फाइंड आउट द वुल्फ इन डिस्गाइज, और जो शिकारी कुत्ता था वो उस भेड़िए को तलाश ना कर सका, उसके बदले में भेड़ से उसको ना पहचान सका. ही किल्ड अ शीप, उसने एक भेड़ को कत्ल किया. एंड एट इट विदाउट बीइंग कॉट, और उसको मार दिया। ही किल्ड आ शीप, उसने एक भेड़ को मार दिया। एंड उसको खा लिया। एंड एट इट, उसको खा लिया। विदाउट बीइंग कॉट, उसको पकड़े बगैर। इन दिस वे, मतलब कि उसको पकड़ा भी नहीं गया और उसने उसको खा लिया। इन दिस वे ही एट अप मैनी शीप, इसी तरह से उसने बहुत सारे भेड़ खा लिए। एंड दियर नंबर बिगेन टू फॉल एवरी डे, और डे बाय डे जो शीप की, भेड़ों की तादाद थी वो कम होती गई। द शेफर्ड वॉज ग्रेटली वरीड, जो गठरिया था वो बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो गया। बट कुड नॉट फाइंड आउट द थीफ, लेकिन चोर को तलाश ना कर पाया। सो स्टूडेंट, देयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस एंड आई हैव रीच this, so you have to find the answers by this passage. So your lecture is completed now. Okay students, stay home, stay safe, and keep your study regularly. Okay, fine, take care. Allah Hafiz.